Now let us see the next example, that is example 15. NCERT solved example 15. Now here what they are saying, Arjun is twice as old as Shreya. 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shreya's age. So at present what condition they have given? It is Arjun is twice as old as Shreya. This is the present age. Okay, this is the relation between their ages at present. Now 5 years ago, what they are saying, 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shreya's age. Whose age? They are talking about Arjun's age. Okay, so now we have to find out their present ages. So here let us consider that Shreya's present age be X years. Why we have taken only Shreya's present age as X years? See students, in such word problems it is the difficulty which most of you found, that which we have to consider as X. Okay, whose age we have to consider as X. So if you see the first line, Arjun is twice as old as Shreya. So here Arjun's age is expressed in terms of Shreya. So we have to take Shreya's age as X years. I hope you are getting it. Again I am repeating, in first statement if you see, they have given the relation of Arjun in terms of Shreya's age. That is why we have to take Shreya's present age as X years, so that we can represent Arjun's present age in terms of Shreya's age. What they have given? Arjun is twice, means twice, it means 2 times. So here what will be the age of Arjun? It is 2x years. Okay, twice the age of Shreya. So here we have expressed Arjun's age in terms of Shreya. Okay, now what they have given, 5 years ago. 5 years ago what will be Shreya's age? Whatever his present age is there, minus 5, because they are talking about previous year. So it will be X minus 5 years. Okay, so we can say that 5 years ago Shreya's age was X minus 5 years. Same way we have to subtract 5 years from Arjun's present age. What is his present age? 2x. So 5 years ago we can say it will be 2x minus 5 years. Okay, now according to the given condition, what they have given, 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shreya's age, means Arjun's age was 3 times, means we can say it is 3 multiplied by Shreya's age. Okay, so Arjun's age 5 years ago was 2x minus 5. We don't have to take their present age, because we are talking about 5 years ago, relation between their ages, which is 5 years ago. So 5 years ago Arjun's age was 2x minus 5, and what was Shreya's age? It was x minus 5. Okay, now 2x minus 5 is equals to, now open the bracket, 3x minus 5 3 is a 15. Now either you take this variable 2x from this side to this side and bring this minus 15 to this side, or you can bring x variable on this side, no issue. So it will be, let us consider 2x minus 3x is equals to minus 15 as it is, and this minus 5 will become plus 5. Okay, so it will be minus x, है ना, 2x minus 3x will be minus x, 3x minus 2x x, and as 3 is bigger so its sign will come, that is minus, is equals to minus 15 plus 5. So 15 minus 5, that is 10, and as 15 is bigger so its sign, that is minus. Now can we cancel this minus minus sign? It will be cancelled because minus sign on both the sides. So we can say x is equals to 10. Okay, so here we can say that Shreya's present age is what we have taken, x years. So now what is x? So we can say it is 10 years. Now what is Arjun's present age? Here we have taken it is 2x. So it will be 2 into 10 years, or we can say it is 20 years. Okay, so these are the present ages of Shreya and this is present age of Arjun. See this question carefully.